The Tesla Cybertruck is built with ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, which is designed to resist corrosion. While it's not rust-proof, most owners won't experience significant rusting, especially in moderate climates. However, if you live in an area with road salt or near the coast, proactive care is essential. Stainless steel contains chromium that forms a protective layer against rust. However, factors like chloride exposure, scratches, and contact with other metals can compromise this layer, leading to pitting, crevice, or galvanic corrosion. Welds are particularly vulnerable areas on the Cybertruck. Stainless steel is an alloy primarily made of iron, with chromium as a key component. The chromium reacts with oxygen to form a thin, invisible protective layer of chromium oxide on the surface. This chromium oxide layer is what makes stainless steel resistant to rust, as it acts as a barrier preventing further oxidation of the iron beneath. Several factors can break down this protective layer. Chloride ions from salt can penetrate the oxide film, while scratches expose the underlying metal. Contact with dissimilar metals can also accelerate corrosion. Pitting corrosion occurs when chloride ions create small, localized pits on the surface, often in salty environments. This can lead to deeper penetration if not addressed. Crevice corrosion happens in confined spaces where oxygen is limited, such as under fasteners or in weld areas. Galvanic corrosion occurs when stainless steel contacts less noble metals, creating an electrochemical reaction. On the Cybertruck, welds are especially susceptible to corrosion because the heat-affected zones can disrupt the protective oxide layer, making them prone to crevice corrosion. Since the Tesla Cybertruck began production in 2023, real-world owner reports have provided valuable insights into its corrosion performance. Surveys and owner forums from 2023 to 2025 show that approximately 5 to 10% of Cybertruck owners have experienced minor surface rust issues. This rust typically appears on welds and underbody components, where the stainless steel is most vulnerable to environmental factors. The issues are most common in areas with heavy road salt during winter months or coastal regions with high salinity and humidity. Tesla has responded by addressing reported cases under their warranty, replacing affected panels when necessary to maintain vehicle integrity. Tesla has taken specific steps to address corrosion concerns on the Cybertruck. Tesla released a firmware update, version 12.5, that includes alerts reminding owners to wash their Cybertruck regularly, especially after exposure to salt or mud. Tesla also offers optional protective coatings at their service centers, including ceramic or wax-based sealants that provide an additional layer of protection against moisture and corrosive elements. Essential Cybertruck care tips. Regular washing is crucial for maintaining your Cybertruck's stainless steel exterior. It removes corrosive salts, road debris, and contaminants that can compromise the protective chromium oxide layer. Tesla recommends washing after exposure to salt, mud, or harsh weather conditions. When washing, use mild, pH-neutral soaps that are body shop safe and won't damage the stainless steel finish. Avoid household cleaners or dish soaps, as they can be too harsh and strip the natural protective layer. Look for car washes or products specifically formulated for automotive use. Never use abrasive cleaners, scrub brushes, or harsh chemicals that can scratch the stainless steel surface. These can create microabrasions that expose the underlying metal to corrosion. Stick to soft microfiber cloths and gentle washing techniques to preserve the finish. For added protection against moisture and salt, consider applying a Tesla-approved ceramic coating. These coatings, available at service centers for around $200 to $500, create an additional barrier that bonds to the stainless steel and provides long-lasting defense against environmental factors. Any scratches, chips, or abrasions should be addressed promptly. These can compromise the passive chromium oxide layer, making the steel vulnerable to corrosion. Tesla service centers can touch up or repair damaged areas to restore protection. Regular inspections will help catch issues early. Case studies from different climates show how environmental conditions affect rust risk on Cybertrucks. In Florida's high salinity coastal environment, Cybertrucks have experienced pitting corrosion. A 2023 owner reported pitting on the underbody after just 6 months of driving. Analysis showed chloride ions penetrated the passive layer. Tesla replaced the panels and recommended ceramic coating. In Michigan's winter climate with heavy road salt, Cybertrucks have shown rust on welds. A 2024 AAA study tested 50 vehicles and found 8% developed visible weld rust after 10,000 miles. Trucks with monthly washes had no issues, emphasizing the importance of regular maintenance. In Arizona's dry climate, Cybertrucks have exhibited excellent corrosion resistance. One vehicle used for off-roading showed zero corrosion after 50,000 miles, contrasting sharply with rust-prone carbon steel trucks in the same environment. The automotive industry is rapidly evolving towards sustainable and durable materials, with stainless steel becoming increasingly popular in electric vehicles. One major trend is the shift towards sustainable materials, including recycled aluminum alloys and advanced stainless steel variants designed for electric vehicle applications. Stainless steel is gaining significant traction in electric vehicles due to its superior durability and inherent corrosion resistance compared to traditional carbon steel. Advancements in protective coatings are emerging, including nanotechnology-based options and graphene-infused sealants that offer superior adhesion and corrosion protection. By 2030, expect new steel alloys with higher chromium content and self-healing polymers, potentially creating vehicles that require minimal maintenance for corrosion issues. Environmental regulations are also expected to accelerate the adoption of these advanced, corrosion-resistant materials to extend vehicle lifespans and reduce waste. Expert metallurgists and industry insiders provide valuable insights on the Cybertruck's stainless steel construction. Dr. Elena Paraloma from the University of Wollongong emphasizes that while 30X stainless steel offers excellent corrosion resistance, it's not impervious in harsh environments like marine or industrial settings. Owners should maintain it like a high-end appliance with regular care. A Tesla insider notes that the company may have overemphasized the no-rust claim, highlighting that welds require extra protection and future models might feature pre-applied coatings. Dr. Robert Kelly from the University of Virginia adds that statistics demonstrate stainless steel reduces rust by 90% compared to painted steel. But in salty areas, Cybertruck owners still face a 10 to 15% risk without proper maintenance. Key statistics provide concrete data on the Cybertruck's corrosion performance. A 2025 Tesla owner survey of 5,000 respondents found that 7% reported minor rust, primarily in states with heavy road salting, such as New York at 12% versus Texas at just 2%. According to NACE International, 30X stainless steel has a corrosion rate of less than 0.1 millimeters per year in typical conditions, compared to 1 to 10 millimeters per year for carbon steel. Tesla's 2024 warranty claims show less than 1% of Cybertrucks require corrosion-related service, with an average lifespan of 15 years or more when properly maintained. Finally, a 2025 global EV corrosion study by J.D. Power indicates that 85% of stainless steel EVs rate high for durability, though 20% of owners in corrosive regions experience issues.